Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable version history in Figma easy tutorial step by step. To enable version history in Figma, first, ensure you are signed into your Figma account. Open the Figma file you want to enable version history for. Locate the top menu bar and click on the File option. In the drop-down menu, select Version History. A panel will appear on the right side of the screen. In this panel, you will see a timeline of your document's version history. To save the current state of your file, click on the Save a Version button at the top of the panel. You can add a description for your version, which helps identify it later. Once you've entered a description, click Save Version. Your version history will now include this newly saved version. To access previous versions, simply click on any date in the timeline. You can preview the design as it appeared at that time. If you want to restore a previous version, select it and click the Restore button. This will revert the file to your chosen version. Remember, version history is saved automatically for every change you make. You can always revisit and manage your versions as needed. Enabling version history in Figma ensures you never lose important changes. Now you have a complete guide on how to enable version history in Figma. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.